up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Fbomb. So you're probably wondering, what the hell am I doing right at night in the freezing cold, damn near raining weather? So it goes like this. My wife hits me up while I'm at work, and I have no problem being a superhero right now. I really don't. But she hits me up. She says, I have to go to Stone Ridge Mall, which is about 18-20 miles away, to go pick up receipt paper for her store. So I'm like, oh, I'm sorry, babe, that sucks. And she continues to tell me that earlier in the day, she ran over some oil and her back tire feels kind of slick. So I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. You ain't going nowhere, especially on the freeway, especially at night, especially in this rainy weather. No, 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 no. You are not doing that. So I told her, stay your ass at work. Let me go home, eat some dinner, wake up a little bit, and I will go head out and do that for you without a problem. So here I am, out here in the freezing cold, at night, damn near rainy weather, because I love my wife, and I don't want her to get hurt, get into an accident. I'd much rather get stuck in traffic than go visit her in a hospital. So here I am, being a nice guy and everything that I am. But yeah, that's what I do. I'm a nice guy. I'm a fucking sweetheart, and she knows it. It looks like traffic is moving along. Right after I got off work, it was like a 45-minute drive. Go get my bike. I do not want to sit in 45 minutes of traffic. No, spank you. So I hope your guys' day is going well. It is Thursday, March 7th. Hey, Captain Marvel's coming out tomorrow. Ooh, I can't wait. I am definitely going to go see that tomorrow. It is on the agenda. Go ahead, little buddy. Go ahead, little buddy. Get to moving. There we go. So I'm going to go see Captain Marvel tomorrow. I'm excited because, like, now I'm a superhero. I'm a superhero nut. I love it. Love it. Love the nut. I'm a superhero. I'm a superhero. Woo! 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 I love all the superhero crap. My bike is named Batwing because I love Batman. That's actually the only DC character I actually do like is Batman. But I'm in love with Marvel. The Avengers, oh my god, I love them so much. I want to be one. Please make me an Avenger. The F-Bomber. Call me F-Bomber, come on. I want to be a superhero. My superhero powers would probably be following directions to a T. No. That wouldn't be mine. I don't know what my superhero power would be. If you guys were a superhero, comment down below. What would your name be and what would your superpower be? Or would you be like Black Widow and have no powers at all, just be an awesome fucking kicker? Because honestly, that's all she does is kick, punch, and twirl around. Oh, this conversation's making the ride a little bit easier because it is cold. Freezing my ass off right now, but it's okay because I love my wife. 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 It makes everything easier if you just love your wife. Oh yeah, I did just get back from Reno with the wife. Had a little vacation. That was awesome. And here we go. Here comes the fucking traffic. California, I love you. But what the oh shit. Oh shit. No one cut in front of me, please. I don't want to die tonight. I want to make sure Wasn't a cop behind me at all. Thought I saw some sirens for a second. False alarm, I'm good. But yeah, just got back from Reno, had a blast. And special thanks to Nevada for taking all my fucking money. But had a blast. It was fun. Hope you guys had a great week. I didn't get to see the snow. I didn't necessarily stop playing it because I was cold as fuck and I was being lazy as fuck. But I did drive by the snow and it was awesome. Go ahead, Audi. I dare you. Cut me off. Cut me off. I swear to God, I'll take your mirror out. That's what I thought. Alright, 7 minutes away from this mall. You know, this ram mount is cool and all. It isn't a bad placement. I have to look down if I can see it. I don't like that. Because I feel like I have to go like this and look down with just my eyes. Because I'm afraid I'm going to miss something in the road and I'm going to fucking crash my fucking bike. God, it's cold. Where's spring? Where's the sun? Bring me the sun. I miss it. I want to be warm right now. But I'm okay. I got to pee. God damn it. Keep me awake though. 2 miles. We're practically there. I'm really not familiar with this mall, so we'll see if I find it or not. Oh, guess what, guys? So, April 20th, I'm going to be entering in a mud run. Now, you guys heard of Tough Mudder or the Iron Man, where they go through obstacle courses and they get all muddy and dirty? I'm doing that, and I'm going to be GoProing the whole thing. So that's something to look forward to for me, guys. That's going to be awesome. I can't wait. I've always wanted to do something like that. That's going to be fun. I'm going to try to get my stepson to join in and do it with me because I'd rather not do it alone or make a fool out of myself alone. So I'm sure he will. He's a good kid. He's always down for whatever. Alright, making a right, and the mall should be right there if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, Rossi. My bike is only 160 degrees right now. That's how cold it is. Usually my bike is running 180, 190. So the cold weather is cooling my bike down a little bit more than usual. Which I'm not complaining because I hate it when my bike runs hot. Always scares the crap out of me. Alright, so we're looking for Cheesecake Factory. Let's look for Cheesecake Factory. Supposedly it's on the outside. There's the mall. Okay, I was looking at that. I was like, that does not look like a mall to me. This is fun. I haven't done a night vlog in a while. You gonna cross? Go ahead, buddy. There you go. I got you. Okay, we're here. So let's get in that big ass parking lot and see if we can't find a Cheesecake Factory. Cheesecake Factory. I don't know where I'm going. I seem kind of lost. I've arrived. I'm not sure if this goes all the way around. Okay, this is not the right way. This is making me go all the way around. So we're going to turn around and we're going to go the opposite way. Other way, excuse me. Thank you, buddy. You didn't have to do that. I would have stopped for you, but don't you hit me, bus. I'll sue you. I will sue you. Okay, so the easiest way to get down there is those stairs. So we're gonna, I'm just playing, we're not gonna do that. That would have been funny though. This is much safer. Oh, Cheesecake Factory, boom! Second try, made it. Kazam, bada bing, bada boom, motherfucker. I told you we'll find it, you guys are worried. I knew we'd find it. Just trying to find parking up in this bitch is gonna be the hard part. Is that motorcycle? No. I want motorcycle parking. Don't take it, don't take it, don't take it, don't take it, don't take it. Ah, I took the spot. You stop it, F-Bomb. Being silly and stuff. Got my phone. I put that in my pocket, but we're gonna keep rolling. I'm not taking my helmet off because it's just gonna take hella long to get it off. and back on again. So we're just gonna keep it on, and you guys are gonna go with me. So she said, Cheesecake Factory, which is right here, downstairs, on the bottom floor. Okay, let's see about this. Ooh, that's pretty. Custom burgers. What, they got like spinning rims on them or something? Open sesame. Yes. Right? Yeah, you can recognize the helmet, right?
I did.
Okay.
No, she rides motorcycles. Okay, well, do you want less than this? Are you going to be able to get this on the bike?
I got a backpack, so we should be able to make it work. I emptied my backpack, so I get as many in there as I can.
Okay.
She didn't tell me exactly how many she needed, so.
She said about 10, but I gave her a little bit more.
If you got more. As long as my bike doesn't flip over, I'll be fine.
Yeah. How was traffic getting over here?
Not too bad. It was worse earlier. That's why I didn't come yet.
Yeah. No, I bet.
Right after 4 o'clock, it gets bad.
She told me, she's like, oh yeah, I'm going to come out there. And I was like, you're coming from Hayward?
It's going to be a while.
This way? I just wanted to be too heavy for you.
Well, the reason why she's not here, she ran over some oil, and I told her not to ride her motorcycle on the freeway with oil on her tire.
Oh,
that's really dangerous. So,
good?
Yeah, I think that should be. Yeah. Okay. That's heavy enough.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Let's have a good day. Which way did I come from? This way. I think. Yes. Okay. Damn. This backpack is heavy now. It wasn't nearly this heavy 5 minutes ago. Oh yeah. I got hell of receipt paper in my backpack now. This is awesome. Shut up, Fbomb. You're a superhero tonight. Act like one. Out of my way, people. I've got a mission to deliver this paper to my wife's door. And no one is going to stop me from accomplishing my mission. No one. Except for putting the wrong key in the ignition. Ah, there we go. Okay. The fun part begins. Getting back home. Here I go. Rossi. This guy, I mean, either slow the fuck down or he gets his fucking ass kicked. Okay, we made it back to the freeway. It is now 7 o'clock. I've been off work for 3 hours. Rossi. Going back home again. But this time, we're gonna smash. Cold right now. We have made it to my destination. Woo! Thank you guys for joining me. Did not really want to do that ride alone. That was a lot to talk. I feel better. But comment down below. Tell me what your superhero name and what your superhero power would be if you guys were to become a superhero. And be sure to check out Captain Marvel. Check it out. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. Any questions, comments, concerns, any of the bullshit I was talking about, comment down below. I'm sure we'll have fun talking. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Fbomb. Peace, bitches.